how to use Delta Executor on mobile. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to use Delta Executor on mobile. Alright, so let's begin. Over here, the first step is to search for deltaexperts.net and download Delta. After that, delete your original Roblox app. Then go to your files and install the Delta app you just downloaded. Next, make an alternate account since it's not recommended to use your main account. Once you've logged in, copy the key provided. Then open Google Chrome or any web browser, paste the link and get the key. After that, go back to the game, enter the key and start using the executor. You'll see many features available in this executor. You can use your preferred scripts or explore its functionality as needed. So that's basically how you can use Delta Executor on mobile. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.